Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today we are heading across the waters of San Francisco Bay to explore one of the most legendary sites in American history, Alcatraz Island. From a scenic ferry ride to the haunting corridors of the Cellhouse, I'll take you through its layered past: military fortress, federal prison, daring escape, and a powerful symbol of Native American resistance. Let's begin our journey to the Rock. From the heart of San Francisco Bay, a rocky island rises, Alcatraz. Once a fortress, then a military prison, and later the most feared federal penitentiary in America. Built between 1910 and 1912, this three-story cell house held the nation's most notorious inmates. Today, it draws visitors from around the world, each chasing echoes of its past. Before stepping inside, the island offers its own silent witnesses. The ruined social hall, once a place of recreation for staff, now stands in decay. The guard tower looms overhead, a relic of constant surveillance. Nearby, the water tower stored life's essentials. While the morgue reminds us that not all who came here left alive. Crossing the threshold, we enter the cell house. Cold steel, concrete walls, and narrow corridors. This was home to over 1,500 inmates during its 29 years as a federal prison.
Okay. Now let's do 3, 2, 3. Doesn't want it. Doesn't want it.
The corridors echo with footsteps of the past. Inmates walked these paths daily, between cells to meals to work. The dining hall was the most dangerous room on the island. Armed guards watched over every spoon and fork. In the kitchen, silhouettes of knives were painted on the wall, so missing tools could be spotted instantly. Books offered escape of a different kind. The library gave inmates access to literature, law, and learning. Visitation was rare and tightly controlled. Behind glass and bars, families spoke through telephones, brief moments of connection in a place built for isolation. Then came the night that shook Alcatraz's reputation. June 11th, 1962, 3 men vanished: Frank Morris, John Anglin, and Clarence Anglin. Using stolen tools, they carved through concrete, crafted dummy heads to fool guards, and stitched a raft from raincoats. They crawled through utility corridors, climbed to the roof, and disappeared into the cold waters of the bay. No bodies were found, no confirmed sightings, just mystery and a legend that endures to this day. Alcatraz's story didn't end with the prison. In 1969, Native American activists reclaimed the island. For 19 months, the Indians of all tribes occupied Alcatraz, demanding recognition, rights, and respect. Their message, "Welcome to Indian Land," still echoes across these walls, a powerful reminder of resistance and identity. As the ferry pulls away, the island fades into the mist, but its stories remain, etched in stone, whispered in wind, and carried by those who walk its halls. This was Alcatraz, a place of walls and voices that broke through them,